Alright you guys, so this is Outre Penny. This was really hard for me to blend my weave out with, not because it doesn't match, but because my natural hair is so long and I feel like I am outgrowing half wigs. Like, I don't know how I can get the front of my hair to blend in with these wigs when it's so freaking long. Like right now it's okay, but it's still really wet, so it's not like molded down or whatever. But this is the best that I could do. But I wanted to include footage in here so you guys can see how I achieved this look, so you guys can, you know, try and do it yourself. But this is Outre Penny, so this is 26 inches. I've had Outre Penny before. I will link my other Outre Penny review up here. With that Outre I did, with that wig I did DR30, and this one is a 1B. So this is Outre Penny 26. The last video I did, it was just a regular Outre Penny, but I decided I wanted to do the longer version. So this is the longer version. So it's really curly on the ends, and I absolutely love that. I think that looks really cute. My hair is curly, not this curly. I would have to actually like shingle it to get it to be this curly. My hair is tight curls, but look how pretty these curls are, you guys. Oh, I love them, I love them, I love them. So 26 inches is just, like I said, my belly button is here, so boobs here, so it's right here without stretching it. It does blend in really well with leave-in, but like I said, it was just hard for me because my leave-in is so long. And it's just like, how does one blend in all that leave-in and it look right? Like, it don't look right to me. So what I did was just kind of like bend my hair and put the comb right here, which I don't like doing because it hurts my hairline. So like, if I was wearing this all day, I would have done it a different way, but just to do this video, it'll suffice. So this is it. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is what the stock card looks like. So again, I got 1B Penny and 26 inches. This wig is really popular here on YouTube. I love this wig. It's super cute and versatile. I had it flipped over first, as you guys can see, so you could totally wear it like that. You can wear this wig in a half up, half down, which is one of my most favorite ways to wear half wigs in general, because they just look so natural. But this is it, you guys. So with me attempting to blend it in, I did put some bobby pins down. If I were wearing this wig out, what I would have done was all the gel you see me put on there, I would have put that on there. Plus, I would have tied it down with a scarf for at least 30 minutes so that it could have dried, and then I wouldn't have these bobby pins in here. But for the sake of this video and time, I just bobby pinned this part down so you could actually see it. So that's what it looks like. I love it. I think it's super cute. Super cute. This is about how long it looks from further away, as you guys can see. So it's really cute and curly. I love this wig. So this is one of my favorites. It's super curly and it's perfect here on YouTube. Everybody loves this wig. I love this wig. So there's not much more for me to say about it, but I did want to include me styling it. So this is the side. I feel like my forehead is raw from me trying to, you know, do all this slaying of the edges. So this is this side. Super cute. So if you guys are wondering what I have on my list, it's a black-owned business. It's called Saucy Cosmetics. I will leave her Facebook page down in the description box. She doesn't have a website yet. But I got about 6 of her lip glosses and I think they're really cute. Some of the colors don't match for me. Like the first color you guys see me wearing, the purple, was super pretty. But I'm like, I don't think I look right with purple lipstick. Normally I don't like pink lipstick either, but actually this kind of looks cool. And maybe because it's a gloss and not a matte pink. Matte pink looks horrible on me. But yeah, so this is it for the wig review. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. But I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.